In this video, you will learn how to change a thumbnail on an existing video on YouTube. My name is Jackie, and in a few minutes with my easy tutorial, you'll learn how to go about it by yourself. So to change your thumbnail, go to your YouTube studio. I'm already in my studio. Go to the left and click on Content. So make sure you have videos displayed, then select a video that you want to make changes to. So this is the video, and if I hover around, you notice that I have a pencil. This allows me to make edits. Click on it. This allows me to go straight to my thumbnail. If you're observant, you'll see that I have 3 dots on the top right. Click on that. So here you have options. You can reselect from the auto-generated ones, or you can upload a custom-made thumbnail from your PC. Let me take you through uploading before we continue. So before you upload a file from your PC, make sure that your settings are configured for the upload. So let's go to settings. So under settings, go to channel, then click on feature eligibility. Then under intermediate features, you will see that you have videos, custom thumbnails, all is enabled. So mine is enabled. So if yours is not enabled, click on the drop down menu and follow the prompts. Send your phone number so that you can get a verification for this feature. So let's close this for now and go back to the thumbnail. I'll click on the 3 dots. Then I will not upload because I do not have a custom thumbnail for this particular video. So I'll go to the auto-generated ones, click on that, and then select from the ones YouTube has picked from my video, then say done. So once I'm done, I click on save. Always make sure you save your changes, because this allows your changes to be effected. So my changes have been effected. So this is how simple it is to change a thumbnail on an existing video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has been helpful. See you next time.